Now this did not come with a tailgate dampener. I wanted to have where the tailgate lowers slow, but then it was not offered on this model that I had. So I looked around and I found an option. Check this out, guys. What's this? Is that not beautiful? Y'all hear that sound? Look at that right there. So what I've got here is the Orion, I think it's called the Orion Motor Tech, the OMT. This is the pickup tailgate lift assistant kit. Now this whole kit, everything you need is contained in this box right here. I've already installed it. What I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I had to do to get this installed and show you how nice this is. Check this out. And then when you're even throwing it back, it sounds like a modern tailgate. I know that's crazy. Now you're gonna get, this is a little cover piece. What this is like a protective coating. You don't even see it right here. You would line that up right there. You can barely see it. That looks so clean, so I don't need that anymore. A little set of instructions, some thread locker. You're gonna wanna put thread locker back on your bolts once you take them out. This is what was nice. They actually gave me a T50. Because mine is a Ford, you're gonna need a T50. Now I have an impact driver with this T50, so I didn't need it. And you wanna put, I had to put a little bit of PB Blast on mine because that was seized in there pretty good. And you can see it just goes like that, and then you just pop that loose. And then what you're gonna do is I've got the DeWalt tool kit here. Use the number 10 open end wrench, and then check this out. Get this bolt right here. So on mine, I had to remove this bolt completely out. Just loosen this bolt. Do not take it all the way out. So this has a little groove in it right here. Let me show you on the instructions right here. Pretty simple to follow instructions on all of it right here. I didn't see any issues with this thing. You can see see that bracket? That's the F bracket right here. And then you get the E bracket, and then you get some thread locker. So what you're gonna do is take that bolt all the way out, leave that bottom one in. If you take that bottom one out, it's a spring load and it's really hard to get it back in. Put the bottom, slide the bracket in like that, slide it around, and put the bolt in the top. And then tighten it all back down. You can see, oh, that's what this bolt right here is for, by the way. So you're gonna use that bolt in the top. I just reused this bolt and I didn't see any issues with it at all. I guess you can use that bolt if you want. Just remember to put thread locker back on it. Then you're gonna take off the top one. You can see how you can pop that off and then take off all of that. Slide your bracket up under there, tighten it back down, put your plastic coating right there is where the plastic coating, so it doesn't rub on it. And then pop your dampener on and check that out. Look how nice and premium that looks. And that's pretty much it. Now, as far as maintenance, every now and then you might want to put a little grease on it. Yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that's just got an older model pickup that doesn't have the dampering system on here, and you can get this at a very affordable cost. This is like probably a third of the cost of a factory one, and it works just as good, if not better. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Orion Motor Tech tailgate dampener, lift assist, lower assist. See y'all in the next video.